Okay, so one of the part is ready, and likewise you can make different parts from the slabs and join it together. Now you have to keep it for drying a little bit. Once it is leather hard, then you can join its different parts, and then you can make a pot like this, or there are many different pots you can make. This is one of them, and then you can make carvings on this, or you can add something, coils or something on it, like. Then you have to scratch the surface and put the slip on it. And join it like this. The clay is mixed with water in the curd consistency, and that's what gives you this slip. Okay, this is used for attaching two different pieces of clay. Okay, so this pot is ready. You can add some more things in it.
When you buy the clay from the market, in which form is it available? Is it in
It is available in wet form as well as in the powder form. This is the powder form. You have to knead this clay by adding water, just like the way you knead atta.
Is there any proportion like 2:1 or something, or you just keep on adding?
That you will come to know naturally. There is no particular proportion as such.
When you feel that it's becoming hard, that time you stop adding?
Yeah. It should be soft like this. Okay. It will more softer than this, because it will become hard as in, when you keep working. The clay is also available in this color. This is also stoneware clay. Okay. You get different cutters in the market. With that also you can cut various shapes and attach it to the pot. There are many different other shapes you can cut and attach to the pot. Okay, now I'll show you how to work on wheel. Okay. This is clay. We have laid it properly, and have to put it on the wheel.
Are you putting some pressure kind of stuff?
Yeah. You have to put a lot of pressure while centering. This is most important. You have to center the clay properly.
These are not the traditional kinds of wheels that were used in the past. This is a more kind of mechanized, more modern wheel kind of.
This is electric wheel. It runs on electricity, and if you see, there are gears also. You can change the speed also.
So this is on the slower speed?
Yeah. Your hand should be absolutely steady. Okay. Want to try? First take water.
That's it?
Yeah.
And just keep
And yeah. Your hand should not move. It should be steady. Little more pressure on that.
Okay, I can do this quite well.
Let me see if you have done it well.
No?
Good. Very good. Now opening. Now you have to open this.
And to open it?
You have to open this ball of clay. You have to put your thumb in it and pull it out. Now we'll open this.
You're pushing your fingers in, or it's automatically opening?
I'm pushing it. You have to apply a little bit of pressure. And then you can pull it out.
You're bringing it on the top?
Yeah.
What is this you are doing with the sponge right now?
I'm taking out excess water and the surface will smoothen. You'll get smooth surface with this.
Doesn't this break while doing on the wheel? It just doesn't collapse something? No.
It does collapse many a times.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. You have to be very careful. But then it's fun working on wheel.
How expensive is a wheel like this?
This cost around 13,000 or 14,000 or so. So the pot is ready.
And you have to leave it on this only to dry?
Yeah, it's better because then no stains will come on it. If you lift it at this stage, it may
Break.
No, it won't break, but the shape will change.
Okay.
Cutting it from the base.
It gets stuck to the bottom.
Yeah. You have to, no? Otherwise it will come off while doing.
Okay.
Now it should come off. Because the pot is ready now. So, just take it out. So Dhanushka, wasn't it fun doing pottery?
I think it has aroused my interest to learn pottery, and surely most of our viewers have enjoyed this, and everybody must be just knowing of pottery like just the pots, but now they've actually seen pottery, and I'm sure many of them will take the initiative to learn pottery. I would like to thank you very much for teaching me and our viewers this wonderful episode on how to make pot and how to play with clay. Before we sign off today, Geeta Sahu, who has taught us pottery, would like to give us a message.
I want to take this opportunity to spread out this message to all the viewers. Please, please, please do not take any plastic bag from the shopkeeper. Always carry your own bag with you. Please.
So here we end this episode on Art Zone with pottery and Geeta Sahu. Thanks a lot, Geeta, once again.
Thank you so much.
See you next
Bye-bye.
week on Art Zone. Bye-bye.